Okay, y'all, so today is my birthday and we're going to go to Morgan's Pier. Unfortunately, I had left my phone in the car and my ID is on the back of it, so I had to yep, and I had to go all the way back to get my ID. So now I'm walking back by myself. But it's like crazy. It's so beautiful out today. But I'm gonna vlog a little bit once I get inside Morgan's Pier. So Butter and my mom are already in here. They're just waiting for me. I had to go all the way back to get my ID. But it's so beautiful out here. The wind feels so good. I told them to go in ahead of me so we could have a table, because when I rode past this place before, it will always be real crowded. So I didn't want them to I didn't want to not have a seat if I had to go all the way back. So I'm almost there. Today is my birthday. Okay, so I came down here to the Temple Skate Night 90s theme, and I forgot my socks, and on top of that my hair poofed up. Like, when I tell you, by the time I got here I was sweating so much. Like, so epic fail of trying to go out. Like, trying to go out is the hassle now. Like, it's like, as soon as you get dressed you gotta pee and take off all the stuff that you put on. So I'm just going to chill here for a little while and then I'll go back home. But I was going to try to look in the store for some socks, but it's like, I'm going to be sweating, I know, if I go all the way down there. So I might try to check at the 7-Eleven. If not, I'm going to just head back home. But I swear, like, I think someone coming. I swear, like, now, like, going out is a hassle. Like, when I was younger and stuff, like, I would just jump up like 21. You just jump up and be ready. Now it's like, oh my goodness, like pulling teeth getting out of the house. But I'm gonna still try to enjoy it. Like, oh my gosh, someone was telling me like to bring my niece, and then on top of that, I didn't even download the right app or anything, so it was so crazy. So I'm just going to just wait here for a little bit, and I might walk to the hair store. But I know if I walk there, I'm gonna be sweating. Like, my whole hair poofed up on the top. Like, but I tried to go out again to get some more footage. It just failed. But I'm so happy that I ended up getting dressed and came to the 90s skate party. But epic fail. Right now I'm just sitting out here at the table, and I decided to wear this shirt because it said 93 on it. So I was like, oh, let me just wear this shirt and say 93. But everything else, complete fail. Like, but today is a pretty like smooth day. Like, it's hot out here. Like, if you're walking, it's hot, and I'm used to being in the air conditioner a lot, so it is hot out here to me. But tried to make it to the skate party. Everything fell. I should have put the socks in my bag like before I left, and I still didn't even figure out how to download the app. So because I found out about the event on Our Connect, but then they, when I get to the event, they like, you gotta download the events pass. So I'm just like, me and two other girls. Museum of Ice Cream. So y'all, once I came from the restaurant, my boss was like, come here, can you wait a second before you go on break? So I'm like, oh my god, what? All that I know is that everyone just started singing me happy birthday. I didn't even tell anyone that was my birthday Monday. But yeah, this is what I got. But that was so cute. Another day at work. I'm on my lunch break and I'm so happy. Today is going pretty fast again.